Heartbeat Bedok spans over 43,000 square meters across 7 stories. On a monthly basis, we welcome about 400,000 visitors to our building. And trying to keep the building's hygiene and cleanliness standards high for all visitors is a very tall order. Joining NEA's INCUBATE program was the start of improving operations in Heartbeat at Bedok. They serve as a bridge, sieving through the plethora of innovations out there to find the right match of technology companies that can meet our needs. Heartbeat Bot is one such innovation.
Wear your mask at all times, do avoid crowded spaces and mix.
He's a multi-purpose robot. He cleans, scrubs, identifies unmanned bags, and even does safe distancing broadcasts.
Please be reminded to practice safe distancing of at least 1 meter.
With the increase in productivity, we are then able to redeploy our cleaning staff to higher value work, while maintaining visibility on the security of the premises. Using sensors, our smart compactor bins inform the cleaners when the bins are close to capacity. This greatly reduces the need to constantly check the bins. Our smart toilet system also uses sensors to inform our cleaners if there is increased footfall to the toilets and if they need to be cleaned. We also have a smart panel outside the toilets to allow users to provide feedback and fault reporting directly to our managing agent office, so that remedial actions can be taken immediately. With INCUBATE, Heartbeat Bedok can better explore these innovative solutions. The proof is in the pudding, and Heartbeat Bedok is a shining example of a clean and hygienic building. Plus, our cleaning crew's extremely low MC and attrition rates are a testament of their satisfaction at work.